honeycomb.
Well, it's a darn good life, and it's kind of funny how the Lord made the bee, and the bee made the honey, and the honey bee looking for a home. And they called it a honeycomb, and they roamed the world, and they gathered all of the honeycomb into one sweet ball. And the honeycomb from a million trips made my baby's lips so honeycomb. Won't you be my baby? Well, honeycomb, be my own. Got a hank of hair and a piece of bone. They made a walking, talking honeycomb. Well, honeycomb, won't you be my baby? Well, honeycomb, be my own. What a darn good life when you got a wife like honeycomb.
Honeycomb.
And the Lord said, now that I made a bee, I'm gonna look all around for a green, green tree. And he made a little tree, and I guess you heard what then? Well, he made a little bird, and they waited all around till the end of spring, getting every note that the birdies sing, and they put them all into one sweet tone. For my honeycomb, oh honeycomb, won't you be my baby? Well, honeycomb, be my own. Got a hank of hair and a piece of bone. They made a walking, talking honeycomb. Well, honeycomb, won't you be my baby? Well, honeycomb, be my own. What a darn good life when you got a wife like honeycomb.
The honey wind blows and the warm days dwindle. The butterfly spins a silk cocoon on a silvery spindle. The petals fall from the last red rose, the last red rose when the honey wind blows. The petals fall and the summer goes, the summer goes when the honey wind blows. The honey wind blows and the days grow colder. Somehow the world and I have grown just a little bit older. I sit alone where the fire glows, the fire glows and the honey wind blows. I sit alone, and the good Lord knows I love you so. When the honey wind blows.
There is a river that's ever flowing from the throne where mercy begins. Whoever stops there to drink this water will never have to know thirst again. There is a fountain with cool clear water, a sparkling fountain so perfect and sweet. I love to go there to taste the water. One sip can make this sinner complete. There is a river that's ever flowing from the throne where mercy begins. Whoever stops there to drink this water will never have to know thirst again. There is a river that's ever winding, cutting through this valley we trod. It's sparkling water ever flowing from the throne where mercy begins. Whoever stops there to drink this water will never have to know thirst again.
Thanks for the river, my sweet oasis, blessed tide that washes my sin. With just one cup of its cool, clear water, my soul will never be thirsty again.
There is a river that's ever flowing from the throne where mercy begins. Whoever stops there to drink this water will never have to know thirst again. There is a river that's ever flowing from the throne where mercy begins. Whoever stops there to drink this water will never have to know thirst again. Will never have to know thirst again. Will never have to know thirst again.
Hold tight to the sounds of the music of living. Happy songs from the laughter of the children at play. Hold my hand as we run through the sweet fragrant meadows, making memories of what was today.
We have this moment to hold in our hands and to touch as it slips through our fingers like sand. Yesterday's gone and tomorrow may never come, but we have this moment today.
Tender words, gentle touch, and a good cup of coffee. And someone who loves me and wants me to stay. Hold them near while they're here. Oh, don't wait for tomorrow to look back and wish for this day.
We have this moment to hold in our hands and to touch as it slips through our fingers like sand. Yesterday's gone and tomorrow may never come, but we have this moment today. We have this moment today.
We all have this moment today.
wondrous love of Jesus, sing His mercy and His grace. In the mansions bright and blessed, He'll prepare for us a place. When we all get to heaven, what a day of rejoicing that will be. When we all see Jesus, we'll sing and shout the victory. While we walk the pilgrim pathway, clouds will overspread the sky. But when traveling days are over, not a shadow, not a sigh. When we all get to heaven, what a day of rejoicing that will be. When we all see Jesus, we'll sing and shout the victory. Let us then be true and faithful, trusting, serving every day. Just one glimpse of Him in glory will the toils of life repay. When we all get to heaven, what a day of rejoicing that will be. When we all see Jesus, we'll sing and shout the victory. Onward to the prize before us, soon His beauty will behold. Soon the pearly gates will open, we shall tread the streets of gold. When we all get to heaven, what a day of rejoicing that will be. When we all see Jesus, we'll sing and shout the victory. When we all see Jesus, we'll sing and shout the victory. Amazing grace, how sweet the sound that saved a wretch like me. I once was lost, but now I'm found. Was blind, but now I see. 'Twas grace that taught my heart to fear, and grace my fears relieved. How precious did that grace appear the hour I first believed. My chains are gone, I've been set free. My God, my Savior has ransomed me. And like a flood, His mercy reigns. Unending love, amazing grace. The Lord has promised good to me. His word, my hope secures. He will my shield and portion be, as long as life endures. My chains are gone, I've been set free. My God, my Savior has ransomed me. And like a flood, His mercy reigns. Unending love, shall soon dissolve like snow. The sun forbear to shine, but God who called me here below will be forever mine, will be forever